So why do we need these three things, precision, recall, and F1 score and all those things? Why do we need these things? So let's say, you are uh, predicting something. Let's say you are, predicting whether a person has cancer or not. Let's say based on the symptoms. Now, you don't want to miss out a person, right? You don't want to, let's say, if someone has cancer, he needs to be treated immediately, right? You cannot miss out. So you cannot afford to have, false negatives. So that means truly he is positive, but you are categorizing him as a negative. So that person will not receive the treatment, and that will be a very bad thing that could happen. So in that case, you try to minimize your false negatives, right? You can, if someone is, or if someone is negative but is getting tagged as positive, then it's okay. He'll get the treatment, and assuming that the treatment is not very harmful to a non-cancerous person, it's okay if even if he gets the treatment, right? But you cannot afford to have false negatives. In that case, you are classifying him as negative, although he has cancer, and he will not get the treatment. So that will be very bad. So in that case, what you will do is you try to minimize false negatives, and to minimize false negatives. So if you see in the recall, formula, in the denominator you have false negatives. So if you minimize false negatives, your recall will be very high. So in that case, you will not look at accuracy. You will not look at how accurately you are predicting, cancer or not. In that case, you will try to maximize your recall. So accuracy is not always a good parameter. So the moral of this thing is that even if you are like, accurately predicting, let's say your accuracy is 90%, your accuracy of the model, but still you are, not capturing all the people who have cancer. That could be have negative effect on, those people. So in that case, you'll not look at accuracy, you'll look at recall. So do you understand? Like these formulas are okay. You can calculate recall, you can calculate what is the percentage and all those things. But do you understand the, why we need it? The physical reason behind it, and why it depends on, uh, the right, on the problem statement that you are dealing with, right? So you cannot just blindly, maximize accuracy or maximize recall and maximize precision, you know. So in that case, you have to like think about the problem statement, what you want to do, and proceed accordingly.